Question 15. The mass spectrometer can be used to measure the A. Mass of an element, B. Relative atomic mass of an atom, C. Mass of a neutron in an atom, D. Mass of a proton in an atom. The correct answer is B. The relative atomic mass of an atom. Explanation. The mass spectrometer separates isotopes by mass and shows their relative abundance. So with this information, it calculates the average masses of the isotopes, what we normally call relative atomic masses. So yes, this instrument is your atomic weighing scale.